Hi, I'm KT Morgan, your host of Cabo's Finest, your insider's guide to Los Cabos. Our primary focus is real estate. Let us guide you and your loved ones by sharing our decades of expertise of Los Cabos. We've been helping people find the perfect homes, suggest the finest restaurants, and the best ways to have fun in Los Cabos since 2004. Our insider's guide will make you a lifestyle hero. Your friends and family will see you as a Cabo genius. Our website is full of great information and simple to navigate with these 3 easy steps to your genius Cabo lifestyle. Stay, dine, and play. First step is where to stay. Let our informative videos and articles be your guide to the best places to rent or own. We've broken down all the hundreds of options into the finest Los Cabos has to offer. We've done the research and you gain the knowledge of the very best places to own or rent. Your choices are simply amazing in Los Cabos. Okay, now that you've selected the ideal place to stay, the next step is where to dine. This is one of the best perks of our job, finding the best restaurants for you. This is a free list and we don't charge the restaurants. Our goal is to make your time in Los Cabos the best you can have, and one of the ways is to take advantage of the fantastic restaurants that makes Cabo a top international destination. Dine has 3 categories: fine dining, affordable dining, and recipes. This insider's list is from years and years of first-hand experience. We love great food and find inspiration from these incredible restaurants for our own love of cooking and fine dining. Whether you're celebrating a birthday or special occasion and only the best will do, or looking for that off-the-beaten-track local's favorite, our insider's guide will impress your friends and family. We hand-select and report back to you only the finest, most consistent restaurants. Plus, you get to preview the great options and see exactly what these places look like with our Insider's Guide videos and reviews. The third step to a great Cabo lifestyle is where and how to play. Let us share with you the wonderful options Los Cabos has to offer. From sport fishing to golf, horseback riding to spa treatments, we've got you covered. We spend a lifetime exploring the beaches, hiking the mountains, swimming the hidden springs, and navigating the islands of the Sea of Cortez. Let us recommend the best tour operators and help pick the right activities for you. Our fun and informative videos will make your time in Los Cabos the best fun you'll ever have. Now that you've found the ideal place to stay, eating at an amazing restaurant after a great day of fun, you may fall in love with the Baja. Who knows? You may have such a grand time that you decide to make Los Cabos your new home. That's exactly what we did back in 2004, and we've never regretted that great decision. Let us guide you. You will absolutely love your new Cabo lifestyle.